Good Brussels sprouts. What better snack could a parrot ask for? Yep, Brussels sprouts. Hey. The good crunchy stuff. Hey. Yeah, not supposed to drop it on the floor. A good Brussels sprouts on that fork? Yum, yum, yum. Tasty, huh? Hey, eat over your plate. Put that back on your plate. Hey. Put that back on the plate. Not supposed to eat on the table. It's supposed to eat on the plate. What kind of manners have you got? What's the matter with you? One in your mouth and one in your hand? It's not a soccer ball. Quit kicking it around. Back on the plate. You don't get to eat unless you put it on the plate. See, isn't that much better? Then you can pick up your scraps. Yum, yum. Hey, hey, hey!